So it was a bit of a drive. We were all kind of very anticipatory, very nervous driving up there. A lot of us weren't sure really what to expect. We were all kind of just thinking, like, what's it going to be like? Today we're talking about our new FRC robotics team.
I helped start this robotics team along with Mr. White. I reached out to him and we started planning over the summer.
The team dynamic was definitely focused around learning, since Rochelle over here is the only person to previously participate in FRC, and I really just learned by doing.
In terms of education, there's a lot that each of us have learned about ourselves and about how FRC works in general. It was a lot of trial and error, I feel like.
Our first competition was in Asheville, so it was a bit of a drive. We were all kind of very anticipatory, very nervous driving up there. A lot of us weren't sure really what to expect. We were all kind of just thinking, like, what's it going to be like? Part of our robot broke fully and was unrepairable at the competition. We needed new parts to replace it that we didn't have. So it was a lot of learning on the spot. Competition culture is very friendly. People will help out if you need spare parts, if you need help with programming, if you need anything. So it was really fun to see people excited about the same thing that you were excited about too. But we did really well at our first competition, and we ended up as finalists in Asheville. We used the time in between those competitions to buy new parts to get our robot up and running again. And it helped a lot too when we went to States, which we were all shocked we made it to States. We didn't expect to get that far at all.
I've done robotics in the past, but it's been with a community team. And so it's a completely different experience doing it with a school team. It's a different kind of environment, which in my opinion, I enjoyed it a lot more. Even though we were meeting all this times, it never felt really stressful. We were still having fun while we were doing it.
What I would say for people interested in joining the club is just give it a shot. You never know what you'll get out of it. And with the CAD knowledge that I got from FRC, I started working on my own projects for my class, Robotics and Engineering, with Mr. White.
We did a couple events, one with the upper schoolers and then one with the middle schoolers. The one with the middle schoolers was a lot of fun, especially because while we were building the robot, the middle schoolers are sometimes walking through that space. They want to know what's going on because they've never seen something like this happen at our school. They got a chance to, look at the bot in action, and that was a lot of fun for them. And we generated a lot of excitement for these middle schoolers who want to join the club in the future.
For me personally, I think the biggest thing that I'm going to take from FRC is honestly the experiences that I've had and the people that I've met. I've been able to talk to every single person and become friends with them, and that's something that I hope for my college experience. As for education-wise, I learned a lot about engineering. I realized that I do really like to build things, and I think that's something that I'll focus on within college.